Okay. Brother, this manifold come to blacken. Guys, you remember the time lapse that I do sending this? This is the result. Wow, it's awesome! It's awesome! Whoa, it feels like a new manifold. As you can see here. Whoa! Brother, I feel so satisfied. This is black, you know. Black. You can see this black. Oh, very long. Okay, brother, relax. So today, we just want to make some touch up on this place. Okay, because we use this part to hanging, this pipe to spray like this. Pss, 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 pss. A wire like this lah. Pss, 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 pss. So this part doesn't pin black. So we want to do some touch up to repaint it, and then we want to make an installation this pipe and the SC project muffler. So guys, are you ready for that? So brother, are you ready or not? Are you ready or not, brother? Yes. Let's go. So guys, my brother trying to prepare for himself before we want to make a repaint. So for your information, my brother also have professional on painting. Brother, you have something want to talk?
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to repaint this. You can see there is small area here. We cannot reach yesterday to paint it. For today, we want to fix it and we want to install to our bike. Stay tuned guys. We want to fix this first. It's very sunny day. It's good to complete our work. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to wait our giveaway.
Shaking. Wow, my cats are sleeping. They are very cute. Oh, this cat always want to help us. Hi. He's dead. Hello. Hi. Wow, my cats have sitting skill. Congratulations. Wow, brother, we just repaint it. Now the exhaust looks more shiny. Wow. As you can see now, we have touched up the place. Okay, this place, we have touched up this place. Now it's looking good. So now we want to make installation. Stay tuned, guys, and welcome to time lapse mode.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Wow. Look at it. Look at that. Brother, look at this. Whoa. And finally, we have installed this SC project with the mid pipe. Wow. Whoa. Brother, are you ready for the sounds? Huh? Are you ready for the sounds? Brum. Oh, relax. No need this engine. This sound. Yeah.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
Brother, now I have the key, brother. So guys, we still didn't start up this bike after we installed that exhaust. So we have the first impression together. Okay, let's start it. Oh, brother, the key is bent. Oh my god, but it's okay. Oh god, key can bend. Okay. Right. Oh, relax. I'm too excited. Start. It sounds loud. It sounds too loud. Wow. exhaust have black smoke. Let's try it. Wow guys, so guys, are you happy with that sound? Wow. So guys, thank you for watching our videos. That's all for today. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share this SC project sound. If your friends have a Ninja 254R who need to hear the sounds. Wow, hilarious. Yeah guys, this exhaust will arrive stock soon. Okay, just go to my Shopee, shopee.com/WANFIRDAUS17. Yeah, the price is cheaper, huh? Don't forget. Bye bye.